Clyde and Jill Ramirez.
Samantha Maureen Vera.
Samantha, right?
Yes. How shall I call you?
I don't know. Babe? Since we're getting married, right? It's 2 a.m.
And so? Were you worried?
Maybe. Maybe I was.
What if I become a model?
That sounds good. Bagay sa'yo.
The man earlier was my friend, by the way. I was just teasing him.
Wala akong pakialam. Kasi alam ko, sa akin ka rin uuwi.
Why did you kiss me? Say it.
I like you. We're not breaking the engagement. Whatever happens. I promise you that. Maureen?
Yes?